Yes. We've been, discussing something about paint. Paint is very good. It's very, okay. Understand? I want to give people notice formulations today about some paints. It's not easy, but it's not hard also. If you, study and listen to my voice very well to this video, and understand, you jot it down, you are going to produce any type of paint you want. Okay, we want to start with emotion paint. Emotion paint, I want to give you formulation. I'm not here to tell you what paint is, and speak grammar or terminologies about paints, but I want to just give you the practical way, give you the materials, quantities, and a good formulation for it. You can go and ask about it, and or try what I'm here to teach you. Now, emotion paints. Materials you need to produce emotion paint are: you will need water, 10 liters of water. You will need buckets. You will need titanium dioxide, depending the color you want to make. You will need a pigment. A pigment is a colorant. It may be in powder form or in liquid form. You will need carbon PT. Carbon PT is a dispersant. It's a dissolving material that will help you to dissolve the pigment, the oxide you are going to use as the colorant. Are you getting me? As the colorant. So you will need calcium carbonate for emotion. Any paint without calcium carbonate is not an emotion paint. To me, we don't call it emotion paint. It might be emulsified paint, a liquid paint, but it is not called emotion, which we know. So you will need a binder, which is acrylic, or some people may be using vinyl, but I will recommend acrylic for you, which is PVA. You can call it PVA. You will need thickener, Natrosol, Excellus, or Bamacor, or cellulose. We have them in different types, different products, different companies. Natrosol is a thickener from another company. Excellus is another thickener from another company. Tylus is a thickener from another company, and Bamacor is a thickener from another company. So, process on how to produce it. Listen very well. First of all, get a bucket, a clean bucket and dried one. Pour 10 liters of water inside that bucket. Then add pigment, which is your colorant, 1 kg. I will recommend 1 kg. Some people may use half, but because of the coverage, use 1 kg. Pigment 1 kg. It may be white. If you are producing white, use titanium dioxide is made for white. It's a colorant for white. It's a powder. So if you are doing black, use black oxide. Red, use red oxide. Yellow, use yellow, depending the color you want to produce. But I want to teach you how to produce white now. 1 bucket of white emotion paint. First of all, just like I said earlier, get a clean bucket, pour 10 liters of water inside of it. 10 liters of water inside it. Add carbon PT 0.2 grams. Carbon PT 0.2 grams. Add pigment 1 kg. Titanium dioxide, which is titanium dioxide 1 kg. Mix it very well. Mix it very well thoroughly. Blend it very well, so that everything will get dissolved inside that water. After dissolving it very well, add calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, add 12 kg. 12 kg calcium carbonate. Mix it again very well thoroughly. blend it. If you are not using machine, you can use your hand. So blend it. After blending it, what you will add next is binder, acrylic. Some people may use Vanamour, but use acrylic 2 kg. Acrylic 2 kg. Add acrylic 2 kg. Mix it thoroughly, very well. Then add thickener, 0.2 gram of thickener. Before you put thickener, get a dried bucket, a clean dried bucket, maybe 4 liter or 20 liter. Add half liter of water inside that bucket. Put half liter of water inside that bucket. Pour thickener 0.2 gram inside the bucket. Mix it with that water first before you now pour it inside the solution, inside the paint. Then when you pour it, mix it very well. After mixing it, you are done with the paint. If you want to use it instantly, but if you want to leave it to stay down, maybe for 2 months, 3 months, 1 year, you preserve it with ammonia. Ammonia is a liquid preservative agent. Ammonia 0.2 gram. You can use formalin 0.2 gram or articide 0.2 gram, but I recommend ammonia for you, because that one is more active. But if you are learning, if you are just learning, get articide or formalin, because the odor of ammonia is not good. It may choke you. So for more details, you can put antifungal, which is EPW 0.2 gram. That one is to stop, is antifungal. You know, when you paint a place, a wall, sometimes you see that fungus are growing on the wall. Green materials, plants are growing, like Spirogyra are growing on the wall, Spirogyra and other mushrooms. So when you add EPW, which is antifungal, it will preserve it. That material, that plant will not grow on your paints. So that is all for emulsion paints. Mind you, as I said, jot it down. Everything I said, jot it down step by step. Water, the materials: water 10 liter, carbon PT 0.2 gram, pigment, which is titanium dioxide 1 kg, calcium carbonate 12 kg, acrylic 2 kg, thickener 0.2 gram. You are done. If you want to preserve it, you put other things I told you. So let's go for matte emulsion. As the name implies, it's an upgraded emulsion. It's a high standard quality emulsion. So what is the difference? The only difference is that acrylic, additional acrylic. When you increase the acrylic and the coverage, sometimes it's only the acrylic, it will become a matte emulsion. It will matte. When you increase the binder, the shining, the sheen will increase. So that sheen will make it matte emulsion. That is the only difference. And sometimes some people use export calcium, that smooth calcium carbonate, instead of the normal 50 kg calcium is in 25 kg. Sometimes they package it in 50 kg also. But the smooth one, sometimes people use it, but it's the same thing. When you, even if you have emulsion, you produce emulsion, you get 1 kg or 2 kg acrylic or 4 kg, depending on how you want the matte to shine. You add it to your emulsion, it will turn to matte emulsion. That's the only difference. I can give you the formulation. Okay, if you want to produce matte emulsion, 1 bucket white, get water, 10 liters of water, put it inside bucket, add carbon PT 0.2 gram, add pigment which is titanium